Hello everyone, my name is Debasish Sarkar, and in this video I'm going to solve all the quantitative aptitude, general intelligence and reasoning question asked in Nssb 2025. Chalo, so let's start. Okay, so this was the first question, 171 number. A producer of tea blends two variants of tea from two tea gardens, one costing 180 per kg and another 200 per kg in the ratio of 5:3. If he sells the blended variety at the rate of 210 per kg, then what is the gain percentage? Okay, in this question you need two chapters, two topics knowledge, that is percentage and ratio. So Signa, suppose he has a 2T na type 1, chalo देखो type 1T that was 180 rupees per kg. Okay, type 2 that is yours 200 per kg, and they are in the ratio. Okay, he is blending a tea producer, he or she is blending the tea in the ratio of 5:3. 5:3 ऐसे करके वो blend कर रहा है. So just assume from the first type of tea he is taking 5 kg, from the second type of tea he is taking 3 kgs, just assume. So for the 5 kg and 180 rupees per kg, that is 900 rupees. Okay, he is investing 900 rupees. For the second type, he's taking 3 kgs and 200 rupees per kg, so it means that is 600 rupees. So total investment is 1500. Okay, total investment is 1500, and he is selling the tea at the rate of 210. Okay, chalo, so 210 per kg he is selling, and what is the quantity? Dekho, 5 kg type 1, 3 kg type 2, so total quantity 8 kg. So it's yours 1680. 1680. Got it? So how much profit he is making? Dekho, his investment was 1500 and he's selling all the tea at the rate of at the price of 1680. So profit kitna ho gaya dekho? Profit is yours 1680 minus 1500. देखो, I am explaining, that's why I have to do the steps, but in exam hall you don't have to write all of this, like you just have to solve easily. So 180 rupees का profit, ठीक है ना, 180 rupees. So how to get the profit percentage? Profit percentage means होता है profit by investment or CP into 100. So profit कितना है? 180 out of how much money he had invested, that is 1500. 1500 into 100, so 0000 gone, 15 say 180, that is 12, so 12% gain. Okay, so the right answer is option B, 12% gain. ठीक है, it was an easy question. Okay, chalo, next question. Okay, see, this is a question came in Nssb 2025 and as well as Odisha Police Sub Inspector 2022. It means it's just copied. This question is copied from other exam or other state exam. Okay, the question is 60 kg of an alloy of A mixed with 100 kg of an alloy B. Ab dekho, there is an alloy A and another alloy, that is B. There is 60 kg and another is 100 kg. Okay, in this alloy there are two. Acha, this alloy A was made of lead and tin. Chalo, lead and tin in the ratio of that is your 3:2. 3:2. Okay, got it. In the alloy of B, the mixture was tin and copper. Tin, just a second. टीना एंड, ओके जस्ट टीन है ना, तो टीना नहीं लिखते हैं, टीन लिखते हैं. ओके चलो, टीन एंड कॉपर, yes, copper C. Okay, and they are in the ratio of 1:4. ठीक है, देखो we can do shortcut also, but I don't want to give you the shortcut. I just want to explain. Okay, there is shortcut and all. I can skip the calculations and all, but leave it. So they are asking if two alloy were mixed, then what will be the quantity of tina in the new alloy. देखो यहाँ पे कितना tina है in this option, in the alloy A, how much tina is there? 2 ratio out of 5 ratio. Why? देखो 3 and 2 total ratio 5, out of 5 2 ratios tina, and in kg that was 60 kg. So 5 and 16, that is 12, 12 into 2, that is 24 kg, 24 kg tina. Here देखो tina 1 ratio out of 5 ratio, and total out of 5 ratio. Why? 1 for tina, 4 for copper, so total ratio is 5 into 100, so that is 20 kg. So if we mix both the alloys 1 and 2, both the alloys, then tina कितना होगा रे? tin हो जाएगा first तो 20 kgs and then 24 kgs, that is 44 kg, 44 kg tina. So your option B again correct. Okay, pattern देखो, option B for 171, option B for 172. चलो 173. Okay, this is reasoning. Reasoning क्या ही समझाएगा रे ऑप्शन. देखो what's happening now, circle is circle breaks down into half circle. This structure break down into halves. देखो नीचे वाला यहाँ पे आ रहा है, so automatically this one will be here, right? After that this is there, this figure is there, so this will be नीचे में. So this symbol कौन सा वाला नीचे में है? This one and this one. Okay, so तो ये दो तो होगा ही नहीं ऑप्शन में. Okay, नीचे में देखो, नीचे में डाउन साइड सीधा सेम symbol ना, sorry not symbol, same figure, see, like this. Okay, same figure. Here also the same figure na. After that see what's happening there ना, ऊपर वाला उल्टा हो रहा है. ऊपर वाला was like this but it became उल्टा. Same here, देखो this thing ये उल्टा हो गया यहाँ पे आके, so definitely this will be उल्टा. ऐसे करके ऐसा था ऐसा हो जाएगा. So उल्टा means C. देखो this structure will be there. Okay, it's just your observation. Okay, there is nothing rocket science in this or no formula or nothing. It's just your observation. How good you in observating ना. चलो next. Okay, this is a nice question. They are saying a cube painted yellow all the faces. देखो I have kept a cube here. देखो this is your cube and I just colored yellow in all the faces. And remember a cube has always 8 faces ना, 8 faces. देखो this is also we can say cube. Let me find something. देखो this is also you can say cube, but cube नहीं है because cube all the sides are equal and all, but you can see six faces are there, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. You can assume your room as a cube also. Okay, and I colored yellow. Now they are asking how many, and they cut into 27 small cube pieces. देखो this is a cube, big cube. Okay, and I cut at this in 27 pieces. Okay, 1 2 3 करके 9 9 9 करके it's 27 pieces. Okay, equal. After that they are saying that the question is how many small cubes are painted only one face. Do you see this line? Only one face, only one face. अब देखो there are 27 small pieces. Suppose this is a cube. देखो this is a cube, this is a cube. Okay, if the yellow color is all over the faces, all over the sides, then देखो यहाँ पे भी yellow color होगा, यहाँ पे भी yellow color होगा, यहाँ पे भी yellow color होगा for that cube. So but the question is asking tell me how many cubes are there which has only colored one face only colored. Okay, painted only one face. देखो but here तो 3 faces are colored, here 2 faces are colored, here 2 faces are colored. See here 2 faces are 3 faces, that will be one side there, 2 faces are colored. Okay, two faces are colored. But see, this is the only one where you can see only one face is colored, because rest of the things is inside, rest of the thing inside. So in one side, suppose in this side I got one cube, I'll get one cube here also, I'll get one cube here also, here, there. So total 6 sides are there, and from 6 side I'll get 1 1 1 1 karke in from the every sides. So how many sides will be there where only one face will be colored? That is 6 sides. Okay, chalo, so the answer will be 6. So this is a correct answer. I hope you understood this. Okay, if you didn't understand, let me just do a comment, I'll explain again. Okay, next question. Acha, this is coding decoding question. I already kept your ABCD, the famous ABCD. This question asked today in NSSB में and as well as G set. I guess Gujarat set or yeah, Gujarat set exam होता है ना there. So what will be there? There are 2 question marks. Now see the pattern. देखो T. देखो there was T. So here T. After that R. So skipping one alphabet there, है ना? Then R के बाद P. Again skipping one alphabet. Then N. Then again skipping one. N के बाद L. Then again skipping one. So L के बाद क्या आएगा रे? J, because we have to skip the K. So here will be J. After J, what will be there? We have to skip I. So there will be H. So H. So J and H. This is the right answer. Easy one. Chalo, let's move to the next question. Okay. I guess this one is hard. Acha, this question was asked in KVS librarian, Kendriya Vidyalaya, I guess, and NSSB that held today. Okay, can we try this question? Okay, that is your 2, 5, 13, 28, and what will be here? Acha, these are not perfect square number, not cube number, not close to. See the difference. 0, 3, 8, 15. Okay, here we have to know. Here difference is 3, here difference is 5, here difference is 7. Oh my god, it's a hard question. Now see here. Here you will get a pattern 3, 5, 7. So definitely here will be 9. Yes or no? Bolo. Here it should be 9. Dekho 3, 5, 7. It should be 9. So if it's 9 means 9 and 15, that is your 24. And 24 and 28, that will be your 52. So your answer will be 52 only. It's a hard question, I can say. For NSSB, not other exam. For NSSB, it's a hard question. I just calculated the difference. See here, 0, 3, 8, 15. Niche mein again, the difference of the differences, 3, 5 and 7. So this is a series. Dekho 3, 5, 7, then no, 9. 2, 2, 2 karke every time was increasing. So if it's 9, then it should be 9 plus 15, that is 24. And 24 plus 28, that is 52. Chalo, next question. Okay, this is easy one. They are asking which one is odd. Pen, pencil, ink and sharpener. देखो, pen can write, pencil can write, ink से भी आप लिख सकता है, you can write, but sharpener cannot write, ना? So this is the odd one. चलो, next question. According to me, this is odd. I don't know their answer ki what will be there. Yeah, according to me, sharpener. Okay, this is another question, coding decoding, NSSB 2025 as well as West Bengal set examination 2015. It means the questions are copied from various examination. That is good. So they are saying that teacher is related to teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher is related to V, G, C, E, J, G and T. Oh, this is the pattern. Acha, they are asking what will be children. C H I L DREN. ओके सी देखो T became V. How? T यहाँ पे था and it became V. It means 20 became 22 is just plus 2. So everything is plus 2. देखो E became G. E is here and G is there. So 5 became 7. So it's plus 2. So all of these are plus 2. Plus 2. You can check H became J plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2. R became T. देखो R is here and T is here. 18 became 20. So it's plus 2. So the option will be plus 2 only. Okay, C plus 2 that is E. N plus 2 that is MNOP. P. So E will be first and P will be last. So both has E and P last na. Acha, we have to check this one also. Okay. Okay, we will be checking this one. Third. R. R will be T because plus 2. So T तो कहीं पे नहीं है, so D will be the answer. चलो, D is the answer. Easy one, just plus 2 with all the alphabets. ना, चलो. Easy question here. Read the question. When n is divided by 4, the remainder is 3. When the remainder, what is the remainder when 2n is divided by 4? There are two ways, but I won't give you the shortcut. I'll give you a basic idea where you can understand the question. Just assume n. n क्या ले सकता है आप? What n should be there? I'm dividing a number by n and I'm getting 3 as a remainder. So definitely the number should be 7. Minimum number should be 7. देखो क्योंकि 7 को अगर हम डिवाइड करेगा 4 से, so 1 time it's 4 and the remainder is 3. See, the remainder is 3. Now they are saying if I divide the same number को 2n मतलब 2 times, that is your 14. देखो 2n बोल रहा है ना, 2n means 14. So if I divide the number now, what will be the remainder? 4 से divide कर दो, that is your 3 times 12 and this is yours 2. So remainder is 2. So the answer is 2. Got it? This is basic. Advanced में क्या करेगा ना, whenever you see this kind of question, just remainder का ही 2 गुना कर दो. Where we were getting remainder 3 का ही 2 गुना कर दो. 3 into 2 that is 6. Okay, but we have to divide by 4. Now 6 को divide कर दीजिए 4 से, 1 time 4 and 2. देखो 2 is the answer. Okay, this is shortcut, this is long cut. Okay, any way you can solve. It's just about you have to solve. You have to make it correct to get a job. Okay, chalo. Next question. Okay, this is a simplification. I don't want to solve, okay, but still चलो solve कर देते हैं. Simplification basically focus on बदमाश rule. बदमाश rule. बदमाश rule में क्या होता है ना, first you have to do the work of brackets, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Okay, you have to do all of this. See here, there is a bracket, so we have to do the work first ना, but we can solve this one also. देखो 40 हम लिख देता है ना from here. चलो, I'm just writing here the question. 48 divides 12, 9 by 8 of 4 by 3 divides 3 by 4 of 2 by 3. Okay, like this. So we, अच्छा यहाँ पे multiply था ना, चलो, we can do that because it's outside the bracket. We can do that. Okay, so 48 divided by 12 that is 4 into, now do the work here. Off है ना, तो इसको multiply लिख दो. 9 by 8 into 4 by 3 divides 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. Okay, now you must be thinking, sir, do this work first na. No, you can't do that division wala work. Though division is before multiplication, nahi. This multiplication came through off. Okay, off means we have to multiply. So you have to do the work. 4 and 8 that is 2, and 3 and 9 that is 3. So it's 3 by 2. Here 3 gone and that is 2 से काटेगा 2. So 4 into bracket में there is 3 by 2 divides को हम उल्टा लिख देता है multiply, and this 2 1 by 2 है ना, it will be 1 by 2 it will be 2 by 1. Chalo. Then this 2 and 2 eliminated, and 3 by 1, that is 3. So 4 into 3, that is your 12. So D is the correct answer. Okay, easy one. Huh? Op means you have to multiply, but not before the division. Okay, chalo. Next question. Okay, I'll leave this question, okay, because these questions are confusing. Okay, but क्या लिखा है ना, no country is absolutely self-dependent. देखो statement and conclusion. They're saying no country is absolutely self-dependent these days. What should be the conclusion? It's impossible to grow and produce all the country needs. Yes, that's correct. Countrymen is generally have become lazy. ना ऐसा तो नहीं होगा ना, ऐसा नहीं होगा. So only one. चलो. According to me, it's only one. I don't know about the answer key. चलो. Okay. Again, your coding decoding. चलो. This will be your homework. You can solve. Next. Okay, let's solve this question. This is a question of direction test reasoning. They're saying that Mr. X, अच्छा, this question is in textbook also. Okay, textbook का क्या बोलते हैं उसको, mock test. Mr. X left for his home, left for his office in his car. He drove 15 kilometers towards north. चलो, let's take a point. And he drove 15 kilometers. So this is your 15 kilometers towards north. Because north is that side, na? You should know. This is your, just a second. This is your, if this is plus, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. You should know this. So I'm going north, it means I'm going up in this paper, piece of paper in this display. So I'm going up 15, then 10 kilometers towards west. West means this side. So I'll be going 10 kilometers west. 10 kilometers west. After that, he turned to the south and covered 5. Okay. यहाँ पे 5 आ गया हम. चलो 5. South में आ गया 5. Further, he turned to the east and moved for 8. Okay, चलो moved for 8. 8 kilometers. After that, he turned to the right. Right means नीचे आ जाएगा, and drove for 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. So this one is his starting point, and this one is your ending point. So he started from here, now he's here. Exactly same place but 2 kilometers far. 2 kilometers. Why 2 kilometers? देखो. This one is your 10 total, and he already crossed 8. So it should be 2 kilometers. So that's why it's also 2 kilometers. So 2 kilometers कौन सा साइड में है रे? वेस्ट में है, नॉट साउथ. ओके, वेस्ट. चलो, how far and in which direction is he from the starting point? Starting point से इस साइड में, that is your west side. Okay, not south. चलो, so option A correct answer. Next. अच्छा, this is a sequence reasoning question. What we have to do first? Income. Like you have to make a meaningful appropriate sequence. Income, education, well-being, and job. First you need education. B. Start with B. Okay, chalo. So start with B. Only one option is there, that is C. Chalo. Next question. Okay. The number of squares in the following figure. Okay, कितना सारे squares है देखो, you can count. This is a square. Square means like carom board होता है ना ऐसा करके. So there is a trick. Okay, I can give you the trick. If you see row and column are same. If you see row and column are same, देखो how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4. If you see this ना, so it means हो गया आपका n equals to 4. It means row and column same. So for this kind of question, what we have to do, how many squares are there? Only for this kind, okay, not other. If row and column are same, so आपको क्या करना है, राइट 1 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर plus 4 square. This is the formula, okay, for this kind of only. So 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, and 3 square means 9, and 4 square means 16. So 16 and here 14, that is 30. So total 30 squares are there, okay. You can count, you can get the answer, but if you want to go through trick, I don't think you can remember all the tricks in exam hall. It's useless to remember the tricks, okay. So always go for basics, not trick. But I wanted to give you the trick, that's why I gave. So the answer is 30. Chalo. Next question. Okay, this is dictionary. You can solve this easy question, so I don't want to solve and I don't want to make the video for so long, lengthy video. So this is the dictionary. Which word will appear in the dictionary first and like sequence wise, so you can solve it by your own. Chalo, next. This is a nice question, okay. Don't get scared of this type of question, okay. I can give you the trick, okay. If you see this kind of a 9, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 5, so if you see this kind of sequence and they go minus, plus, minus and plus, this kind of sequence na, so the answer kya hota hai trick mein na, just take this one, root over 9, just a second. See the series 9 8 8 8 9 8 8 7 7 6 6 5 5. So क्या होगा ना, doubles will be eliminated, okay. If your signs are different, minus plus like this, then अच्छा ये भी उल्टा हो जाएगा, plus हो जाएगा, okay. So just remaining one is your root over 9 and root over 4. Root over 9 means 3 and root over 4 means 2. Just a second, root over 4 means 2. So 3 plus 2, that is your 5. So the answer is 5. This is trick, okay. Trick means like you have to remember the sequence. But if you want me to solve whole question, okay, चलो कर ही देते हैं ना. I'll just solve once, okay. 1. देखो, how to rationalize? This is root over, so you have to rationalize 1 by root over 9 minus root over 8. इसका मतलब क्या होता है ना, you have to multiply here, इसका उल्टा, root over 9 plus root over 8, and here you have to multiply the same thing, root over 9 plus root over 8, like this. So ऊपर में आपका हो जाएगा root over 9 plus root over 8 and नीचे में आपका रह जाएगा, अच्छा, this will be eliminated because a square minus b square, it means a square minus b square, that is algebraic आपका formula. So it will be 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8. So it will be your 9. Acha, so 9 minus 8 means 1, okay. So the answer will be root over 9 plus root over 8 by 1. So it means root over 9 plus root over 8. So देखो, इसका मतलब मोटा मोटी मतलब आ गया root over 9 plus root over 8. Similarly इसका भी आ जाएगा आपका root over 8 plus root over 7. इसका भी आ जाएगा root over 7 plus root over 6. Okay, then इसका भी आ जाएगा आपका root over 6 plus root over 5. इसका भी आ जाएगा root over 5 plus root over 4. Okay, like this. So then it will be eliminated due to minus and plus, then remaining will be root over 9 and root over 4. Okay, chalo, next. Okay, this is average question, okay. Just keep it, okay. I will solve this at last, or we can solve now also. चलो solve कर ही देते हैं ना. देखो, there is a cricket team and there are 11 people, 11 players are there, and the average of the 11 players is 28. So देखो, total age of 11 player. Total age of 11 player will be 11 into 28, because if you want total sum, you have to multiply the average into number. So it will be yours 8, 0 and 3 na, 308 na, chalo 308. Okay, now see, they are saying out of this, देखो यहाँ पे, out of this the average of 3 groups of 3 players each. It means they made 11 player का ना ऐसे ऐसे करके बना दिया है. 3 player, another 3 player and another 3 player. 3 player का 3 group, 3 group बन गया है, and 2 player they kept aside. Okay, like that. So 3 player का average, देखो average यहाँ पे लिख रहा है, average कितना लिखा है रे? 25. Here average that is 28. Here average that is yours 30. Okay, after that they are saying if in this group the captain and the youngest player are not included, okay, and the captain is 11 years older than the youngest player, so it means here the captain and the youngest player are there, na? Captain and the youngest player are there. Okay, so we don't know anything, we don't know the age of captain and the youngest player, but see, we know the total age of 11 players and we know that 3 player ka average is 25, so total age will be here 75. Why? 25 into 3, that is 75. Here total will be 3 into that is your 86 na, 84. Chalo. Here total will be 90. Okay, so कैप्टन का और यंगेस्ट प्लेयर का एज निकल जाएगा. कैसे? देखो, total was 308. From there you have to minus 75, 84 and 90. Okay, so the answer क्या आ जाएगा? Okay, that is yours 180, 180, yes, 180, 180 and 70, 250, 249. So 308 minus 249. Okay, that is 50, 58, 59. Chalo. So 59. So this 2 player ka age is, total age is 59. Okay, now they are saying that captain is 11 years older than the youngest player. So they are asking what is the age of captain? 59. Captain is 11 years older than. Am I doing it correct, the calculation? 11 years older. Okay, चलो ऑप्शन टेस्ट कर लेते हैं ना. If the captain is 33 years, देखो, if the captain is 33 years, then younger player will be your 26. Not possible. चलो, this is not possible. The difference is 7. If the captain is 34, नहीं 35, 36 देखता है. चलो, if the captain is 36, the younger player has to be 23. Okay, 13 not possible. 34 देखेगा क्या? 30, yes. चलो, 34 and 35 not possible. 35, yes. If the captain is 35, the younger player will be 24. Why? देखो, 35 and 24 total age is 59. Their total age is 59. So 34 and 24 difference is 11 years. का देखो, captain is 11 years older. So captain's age is 35. Okay, option test. We can go through basic also, but I like to do in options test na, in MCQ. So that's why. Chalo. This is calculative, not hard, moderate. Chalo, moderate. Next question. Okay, in a group of cows and hens, okay, in a group of cows and hens, the number of legs is 14 more than the twice of the number of the heads. Okay, chalo, just assume there are cows C and hen H. There are C number of cows and there are H number of hens. Okay, for each cow there will be one head, and for each hen there will be one head. But for देखो यहाँ पे देखो, if I say total number of head. So देखो C plus H only, because they have one head only, that's why C plus H. If I say total number of legs, so देखो cow has 4 legs, so 4 into C, and hen murgi, hen has 2 legs, so 2H. So this is their legs. Got it? Total number of head is C plus H. Total number of legs are आपका 4C plus 2H. After that, the number of legs is 14 more than the twice of the head. चलो head का twice कर दो, twice of the head, 2 into C plus H, twice of the head. Okay, 14 more than, so यहाँ पे plus 14 कर दो, equals to the number of legs. So 4C plus 2H. Got it? 4C plus 2H. समझ में आ गया? यहाँ से करो देखो, 2 into C, that is 2C plus 2H plus 14 equals to 4C plus 2H. So 2H and 2H will be eliminated, and 4C and here 2C na. So we can write like this, देखो, plus 14 equals to 4C minus 2C, because 2C will go that side, or we can write 4C minus 2C equals to 14. 2C equals to 14, C equals to 14 by 2, that is your 7. So the 7 number of legs are there, 7 number of cows are there, because C equals to 7, so 7 number of cows are there. Okay, we could have done by option test, no, we have to go through this way only, okay, or there will be a way of allegation, okay, allegation, so leave it. If I have to teach allegation, then there will video will be long. Chalo. Yeah, correct answer, C. Next. Okay, this is the question of your syllogism, and I teach syllogism in different way, like 50 100 50 100 karke na. So I don't want to solve this syllogism, okay, so this will be your homework, because some students solve syllogism in Venn diagram way, but I teach in 50 100 way, that's why leave it. If I have to explain, then it will be different and it will be like too difficult to understand, so syllogism chodo. Chalo. Okay, that is yours. Reasoning question. Condolence is related to loss. In the same way, congratulation, अच्छा loss होता है तो हम लोग condolence देते हैं. Congratulation when someone achieves something ना, so achievement हो जाएगा according to me. Achievement, yeah, achievement. चलो. Next question. Okay. Again, this question came in Calcutta Police SI 2021 and today also in Nssb, so copied again. So most dresses, the statement is most dresses in that shop are expensive. Now they wrote, without resolving anything yourself, choose the conclusion which logically follows from the given statement. Suppose I have a shop and most of the dresses are expensive. It means there are some dresses which are not expensive. There are some dresses which are not expensive. समझ में आ रहा है क्या मैं बोल रहा है? I have a shop and I have mostly expensive dresses. Mostly, but not all the dresses. So I have some non-expensive dresses, but it doesn't mean that I have cheap dresses. Expensive nahi hai, doesn't mean it's cheap. It should be like moderate. So I can't give the answer of this question. Okay, if I were aspirant ना, अगर I was aspirant, then मैं देता आपका answer. There are cheap dresses also, but I would win 50-50. Some dresses are expensive. ये भी हो सकता है, okay. So between C and D I'm confused, okay. But 80% chance it will be C. Some dresses are not expensive, but I can't say that is cheap. समझ में आ रहा है? Most of the dresses are expensive. It doesn't mean that some of the dresses are cheap. कम price है, but it's not cheap. That's why I'll go for C, but I'm not sure, 80% sure. चलो ऊपर वाला तो होगा ही नहीं, ऐसा तो होगा ही नहीं, ये भी नहीं होगा. चलो okay, blood relation. Pointing towards a person, a man said to a woman. A man said to a woman, his mother is the only daughter of your father. Your पकड़ना पड़ेगा. How is the woman related to the person? Pointing to a man, a woman said. Pointing to a man, a woman said. Woman said. How is the woman related to? Huh? Pointing to a person, a man said to a woman. Pointing a man. Okay, okay. ठीक है चलो. I misread. Pointing towards a person, a man said to a woman, his mother is the only daughter of your father. So just assume you are the woman. So I am assuming I am that woman. Okay. So the man said, your father. देखो this line, your father. Your father, it means woman's father. Woman's father. Woman's, who was a woman? You. So my father. Then go reverse. Reverse. My father's daughter. My father's only daughter. देखो, if I am a woman and my father's only daughter, it means me itself. If I am a woman and my father's only daughter, it means it's me. And then mother. So my mother, me and my mother. So the answer will be mother. Okay, this is difficult, nahi, because it's like you have to think about your family while solving the blood relation, or you have to look for the my in the question or yours in the question. देखो yours मिल गया तो वहाँ से ऐसे जाओ, first तो go like this, then reverse like this. Okay, चलो. Next question. This is your water image. Okay, water image, not mirror image. Okay, देखो mirror image, if you see right hand, you will see left hand. If you see in mirror ना, your right hand will be left hand. But mirror water में क्या होता है ना, उल्टा हो जाएगा, उल्टा. Okay, देखो. So the right answer will be A itself. उल्टा कर दो, सबका उल्टा कर दीजिए आप लोग. Okay. So Q का उल्टा will be this, U's उल्टा is this, A's उल्टा R. Yes, right. Yes, right. Yes, yes, right. That was also there, but R का ना उल्टा not verifying. Okay, R का उल्टा नहीं हो रहा है. R will be like, देखो उल्टा ऐसा होगा, ऐसा, not ऐसा. It will be like this. Okay, चलो. Next question. Okay, तो answer is option A. Next question. Okay, a ball pen factory decided to reduce its production by 10% over that of the previous month for the next 3 months starting from February. Okay, in January the production was 3000. Okay, for 3 years now I have to reduce the production by 10%. 10% reduce. It means now the production will be 90 upon 100. समझ में आया? If I'm reducing the production by 10%, so the production will be 90% now out of 100. पहले 100 था, अभी 90 होगा. In January I was producing 3000 and 3 months में 90 by 100. It's a series concept. 90 by 100 percentage का series concept. You have to do the basic classes first, okay, to understand all of this, because it's a series, percentage का series. For the 3 times, देखो, for the 3 months it will be reduced by 3 months. It will be reduced by 10% करके. So that's why 3000 into 90 by 100, 90 by 100, 90 by 100. चलो solve करते हैं ना. 0 0 0 0 0 and 0, 1 0 1 0 1 0 another 0, 1 0 another 0. Okay, sorry, 3 9, it means 7 2 9 into 3, it means 7 8 2 1 2187. Chalo, so 2187 is the answer. Just remember, whenever something is reducing successively for 3 months like this, so you have to do this process, 3 months, 2 months. If the question was for 2 months, then you have to do the same. but you have to write 2 times now. Okay, chalo, next question. Okay, this is your dice and cube question, but unfolded dice, unfolded box, you can say box, but that will look like a dice. And this question came in your SSC stenographer in 2025 this year, and copied from there. So whenever you fold this dice, fold this paper, na, opposite dekho, I'll give you the trick. 1 will be the opposite of 4, 2 will be the opposite of 6, and 3 will be the opposite of 5. Okay, like this. Just it's your observation. If you fold, it will be like this. That will come as a top, and then it will be closed by side. So 1 will be the opposite of 4, 3 will be the opposite of 5, and 2 will be the opposite of 6 if you fold that, and that will be like a box. Okay, so opposite of 5 is 3. That's correct. Next question. Okay, this is data interpretation, but easy one, DI, but it's too easy. Okay, they're saying that study the graph and find the difference between the maximum sales and minimum sales of P and Q. So देखो, this is your P and this is your Q. P का maximum sale, this is your P line, and maximum sale of P is yours, that is 85. So I can write P maximum 85 crores, and Q is minimum, na, they're saying minimum of Q is minimum, this one is the minimum, and that is yours 35. So Q is minimum is your 35 crore. So their difference kya hoga re? 85 minus 35, that is 50 crore. So 50 crore is the answer, है ना? 85 minus 35, yeah, 50 crore. If I'm not doing any mistake, 35, yeah, right answer. Chalo. Okay, don't get scared of this kind of DIs. Okay, these are like big in size, but कुछ भी नहीं है अंदर में. Study the following graph carefully and answer the question given below. Okay, this is a graph showing export and import, okay, of a company in over the year. So 2021 export was this one, import was this one. Okay, export import. The question is, in which of the following years was the gap of the import and import was least? देखो, two list like 35 and 13, 38 and 13, that is yours only 25 crores. So it will be 2024. ठीक है ना, least gap. चलो next question. This is a pie chart question. So देखो, always remember, now whenever you see this kind of circle, so you remember in percentage this is 100% if the datas are given in percentage, but if the datas are given in degree, it means total is 360 degree. ठीक है, remember that. So it's like 100% equals to 360 degrees. So the question देखो, Hindi 70 degree, mathematics 90 degree, science 80 degree, social science 65, yeah, English 55. So assuming the total mark is 540, the subject in which the student scored 105. Okay, so make the fraction 105, someone is scoring out of 540. Total mark was 540 and someone is scoring 105. Okay, this is my fraction, and if you want the degree, just multiply with 360. Why? Because whole circle is your 360 degree and the datas are given in degree. Just solve this. 0, 0 gone. If you're dividing this one by 9, you will get 6, you will get 4. Okay, 6 से काटेगा, so I think you will get here 1 time and just a second. Am I making some mistake? 9 से काटा 4, 9 से काटा 6, then 1 time here. Okay, let me cut it by 2, 3. So it will be 2 and 3 से काटेगा, it will be your 3 times and 5, 35. Okay, 35. And here it will be your 2. So 35 into 2, 70 degree. So which one is 70 degree? 70 degree is represented by Hindi. So someone scored 105 marks, that is Hindi. Okay,